Hey folks, it's Rohin from Varatech. How are you? Today I just wanted to do a quick video on basic website security. Now, recently I've come across a fair number of websites which say not secure. And when a website says this, it's because the security certificate is missing. If the security certificate is missing, then any information that you enter on that website will not be encrypted and be at risk of being compromised. As a business, you need to make sure you have a security certificate installed onto your website. If you're unsure whether you do or not, if you navigate to your website, you should see the padlock icon next to the web address. And the web address will start HTTPS. The S stands for secure. If it doesn't have the padlock or start HTTPS, then speak to your web developer to have the certificate installed. The certificate is a paid service and should cost around £60 for the year per domain. Now, as an internet user, very simply, if the website does not have the padlock icon or say HTTPS, then it's a good idea to navigate away from that website and certainly do not enter any personal information, for example in the contact form. Please do like and share this video and tag one person in the comments who you think would benefit. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this has been very useful to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.